Hello guys and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we would be looking at HEDERA or HBAR, currently ranked at 29th with a market cap of about $1.70 billion. We have a 24-hour volume of about $109 million, and today we would be looking at HEDERA hashgraph, right? And I would be showing you some very huge signals that has just flashed for HBAR right here on the chart. So make sure you sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. And so without further ado, let us move to the chart, right? So we're on the chart right here for HEDERA hash graph versus the USD dollars. We're on the daily time frame, and Binance yesterday to source, right? And as you can see, we have drawn all our levels, and we have been expecting right here this push to the downside for HEDERA, but somehow as you can see, HEDERA has pushed up, but a very huge signal has appeared, a very huge buy signal has appeared for HEDERA, right? And it's nothing right there, but on the Bitcoin chart, we know that anything that happens to the Bitcoin chart affects all the altcoins, and we saw this push to the upside for HEDERA because we saw this push to the upside right here for Bitcoin, and a huge signal has just appeared for Bitcoin, and I'll show you, right? One of the things we love to look at on the channel is what we call the trader dynamic index, right? And one of the things we are seeing is that every single time we see this TDI oscillator pushes below right here, pushes out of this channel, that means that is the bottom for Bitcoin, right? And I'll show you by the past. The last time we saw this happen, exactly in July of 2022. That exactly was the bottom for Bitcoin. As you can see, the 17,000. We went push up and came back to form another double bottom before we saw that push to the upside, right? But this was the bottom right here for Bitcoin, 13th of June 2022. As you can see, the same thing happened right here. We saw the oscillator push below the TDI, right? Push below this channel, right? The same thing happened right here in the 2021 bull run. As you can see right here, right? We saw a push below this level, below right here, this level. That was the bottom, as you can see right here, this $26,000 level around that July, right? We saw another bottom right there on the TDI, showing that that was the bottom right there for Bitcoin, right? And we saw another push to the $67,000 level. The next time we saw that bottom happened was right there in the May of 2020, right there. As you can see, the COVID crash, May of 2020, we saw a push below the TDI, which meant that was the bottom right there, even for Bitcoin. And we saw that huge bull run right there to $69,000, right? So we have been seeing that showing up on the chart for several weeks, right? Showing right there that this is the bottom. As you can see, also for Bitcoin, we are forming this huge bullish divergence, and we know if we see that huge push to the upside for Bitcoin, we are going to see that huge push to the upside right there for all the other altcoins, including HEDERA HBAR, right? So this is a very good level to buy, to accumulate even more HBAR, as we are expecting a very huge push to the upside right there over the next few days, right there for HEDERA HBAR, right? So this is a very good place to begin to dollar cost average into your positions, as we are still very bullish for HEDERA HGraph, right? So that's the analysis right there for HEDERA. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.